today we're going to start our ballet bar project. We did a lot of research on YouTube and looked at how other people did DIY ballet bars, and we saw a lot of PVC pipe and even metal bars, but none of them really looked that appealing. And when we went to our local hardware store here in Italy, we didn't really even find any PVC or any metal that we could use, any piping. So we decided to do a different take on it. We're using wood and these shelving brackets, which is going to be really cool because they're really pretty and it'll be a little bit unique. So what we have is a couple of different sizes of brackets. We're going to use small and big on the bottom, opposite from each other, so it's super stable on either side. And then we're going to use the super fancy pretty ones underneath the actual bar attached to the wooden sides. These are our sides, and they are 100 centimeters or about 39¼ inches by 4 centimeters, and they're square. These are our bases here. They are 50 centimeters or about 19½ inches by 5½ centimeters or 2½ inches by 3½ centimeters or 1½ inches. A can of spray paint. We're spraying them white to go with the black accents and leaving the actual dowel that we have that we'll show you later, that's going to be the actual bar, a raw wood finish. We have a little sandpaper and then our screws that we're using, and then we had to buy this itty bitty drill bit so that we don't split the wood. So we're going to go outside and spray paint our base and our legs. What are you doing? Hey babe, what are you doing?
Trying to find something to open this can of spray paint. I think I'm screwed. I have to go with a screwdriver. Safety cat.
Recording, are you? I saw the little
Oh, did it do that?
close.
Oops.
So it's been a couple days since we first spray painted the legs and the bottoms to our ballet bar, and now it is almost the kids' bedtime, but we are going to try to put this puppy together real quick. Brian's gonna pre-drill some holes into the wood, and then we're gonna put all the pieces together. Enjoy! Yeah, I learned that YouTube viewers like everything like fast.
Yeah.
So like clipped versions, and
Yeah,
like lollygagging.
Is that right?
Just kidding, we'll go fast. First we measure twice so that we only have to drill once. Now that we've drilled the holes, we'll attach the brackets. Once everything's been tightened and secured, just like that, we have a bar leg. And now we do the same thing for the other leg, measuring first. Tightening and securing again, and leg number 2. Oops. Now it's time to attach the brackets to the dowel and the dowel to the legs. After measuring and marking the holes, we attach the bracket to the dowel first, then remeasure on the legs. Making sure the legs are as even as possible on a flat surface, we mark one of the legs and then drill the holes and attach the dowel to one side. Now the other side. And just like that, we have our ballet bar. Wow!
Hey! Hey! How cool!
It's so pretty! Babe, it's so pretty!
The ballet bar is complete.